Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Vrbo no available dates showing. So let me tell you guys, resolving this depends on whether you are using it as a guest trying to book or as a host managing a listing. So if you are a guest who is trying to book, you can just simply remove minimum stay filters, or you can just simply switch to a desktop or a browser because mobile apps sometimes struggle with complex date queries. Or you can just check for check-in days because many hosts restrict check-ins to specific days like Saturdays. Just try shifting your requested dates by a day or two. Now, if you are a host who is managing your property, you can just simply start by reviewing minimum nights and booking windows. Just check your availability settings. You might have accidentally set a minimum stay rule that is overriding shorter bookings or a gap night rule. You can also fix iCall or Channel Manager sync. If you sync your calendar with Airbnb or other platforms, block dates from the other site may be locking your Vrbo dates. Just disconnect the external calendar, manually open the dates on Vrbo, and then resync. Now, the next what you can do is remove the manual blocks. Just sign into your Vrbo account, and once you're signed in, go to Calendar at the bottom of your screen to review the date ranges and make sure that no manual blocks have been applied. Now, the next what you can do is verify your account status. Make sure that your listing hasn't been paused or unlisted. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.